We often see cleaning our vehicles as just another chore, but what if we reframed it as a meditative act of stewardship? Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Here is how to turn your car care into a practice that respects both your machine and our most precious resource. 1. The philosophy of flow, mindful consumption. Water is the lifeblood of our planet. When you wash your car, choosing to use a spray nozzle instead of a free-flowing hose isn't just about saving a few dollars on the water bill, it's an act of temperance. It's a deliberate choice to use only what is necessary, honoring the flow of nature rather than wasting it for convenience. 2. From consumer to steward. We often act as owners, but history and philosophy teach us that we are actually guardians of our environment. Every gallon saved is a ripple effect of compassion. By being intentional with your water usage, you are participating in a global effort to ensure that the water we enjoy today remains available for generations to come. 3. The meditative maintenance. When you slow down and control the water flow, the act of washing your car shifts from a stressful chore to a moment of mindfulness. It allows you to focus on the detail, respect the vessel that provides you with autonomy, and practice gratitude for the resources that make your journey possible. Next time you grab the sponge, remember, you're not just cleaning a car, you're performing an act of service to the planet. How do you practice mindful conservation in your daily routine? Drop a comment below and let's share ways to be better stewards of our world.